Peace. Assalamualaikum. So, all the grass is gone, and now I'm going to put out my flowers on this side here for some color. Be some color all summer, even when the annuals are not, the perennials are not blooming. The annuals will still have some color. So, this clematis that I bought, it's in a pot. It's I guess a dark burgundy color. And I found this one, I believe at Lowe's. So I put it in this planter here and just got it up on the archway, because I don't know if this is even going to get big enough to show up this year. So I'm not taking a chance. I'm starting it on up the arch on this side and seeing what happens. So I need to put a little bit more mulch down, but I'm almost done. I had to spray my roses because the bugs was trying to get on my roses. Can't have that. Little amphis. Looking pretty good. All right, peace. Assalamualaikum. Well, the mulch is down. The vinca is in. I might add a little bit more mulch because it's a little low in some spots. But other than that, I think I'm good. I'm going to add some sunflowers over here. I did some from seeds, and some zinnias for color for annuals. Yeah. Peace. Assalamualaikum. Peace. Assalamualaikum. So, a perennial is only a good perennial if it's where you want it to be. So this lungwort was taking over this flower bed up here at the front. I have a rose bush out here. It was just smothering it. And so I just took it completely out. So I'm going to do 3 types of annuals in the front here. And this is an edger. It's called an edge hound. And so this makes an edge without you having to do an actual rubber border. You just tap it into the ground and then push the dirt forward. And then grass cannot grow into thin air, right? So you'll have an edge without having to actually put a edging material around the bed. So I'm going to do some marigolds and then do some white begonias on the other side. I was just tired of the long one. See, it's still over there trying to come up in with the irises. But I'll just leave it over there. But it was just too much over here. All right, so I'll show you what it looks like when I get done. So my trench is done, and I put my marigolds in, and I'm gonna do the begonias on this other side here. So planting flowers is really like painting with flowers. You're just designing what colors you like, and the reason why I like annuals, you can change the colors every year and do something different every year. So it's just fun. So I am done with this flower bed for now. I need to kind of edge up the back there, but I'm not going to put any flowers back there because that hydrangea is just overgrown, basically. I need to cut some of the lower branches off. But anyway, I could have gotten begonias with green leaves, but they were going to turn burgundy anyway, so I've never gotten the ones with the brown leaves. I said I want to try something different. All right, peace. Assalamualaikum. So I'm cleaning out this flower bed. Assalamualaikum. I'm cleaning out this flower bed, some of the weeds, and I put some of the evergreen that I cut off in the front yard. I put it down around the roots of these hydrangeas because they like acid. and I think that'll help them. And those brown stems, I'm cutting them off. I left them last year, but it just looks raggedy. So I'm cutting all those excess things off, and I'm gonna have to put some mulch down when I get finished, but it's looking pretty good. So, peace, assalamu alaikum. I've been debating whether to put this rose bush over in my secret garden, but this part of the yard gets so much sun. This is a better spot for it because roses like sun. And I had it sitting over in the secret garden. It wasn't budding out or anything, trying to bloom. As soon as I put it over here, it started budding out, blooming. So that was a sign. This is where it needed to be. So I mixed some of the dirt that came out the hole with some organic peat, and I probably should have dug the hole deeper, but no. It's got to be good enough. And I'm gonna throw this organic peat around there, and I might, later on bring it out a little bit more and maybe put some annuals in front of it, blah, like over here. But for now, I'm just trying to get it in the ground, because I found that the longer you leave the roses in a pot, you just might lose them. So, all right, peace. Assalamu alaikum.